What's up guys, and I bring you guys the first real life look of the Galaxy S21 Plus and S21 Ultra. It was leaked just a few hours ago by Sakitech and it looks way better in real life. So it means that Galaxy S21s are entering their mass production stage and the design has been finalized and they indeed are coming very early, maybe in the mid of January. Now we can see that both of them are in Phantom Black and have a matte finish. I'm curious how they look in Phantom Silver because it looks real nice in renders. So as we can see that the S21 Ultra is now confirmed to have a quad camera setup with 188 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera, 10 megapixel telephoto camera with 3 times optical zoom, 10 megapixel periscope lens with 10 times optical zoom, and a laser autofocus sensor as well as a flashlight. Now there's a possibility of S21 Ultra having a ISO 3D time of flight sensor. This new 3D depth sensor is expected to have a longer range to compete with Apple's LiDAR scanner on the iPhone 12 Pros. But it may or may not happen. And if you're enjoying this video, by the way, a subscribe to my channel would be massively appreciated. It takes hell a lot of effort to put these videos together. Just do it! Just do it! As we've heard from the leaks, the camera bump is massive and it indeed curves over the edges, giving it a sleek look, and the cameras also have color coordinated rings around them which make them look even better. And as of the S21 Plus, it has the same camera system as the S21 with 12 megapixel main, 12 megapixel ultra-wide, and a 64 megapixel telephoto camera with 3 times optical zoom. With that said, I've got a few more details too. Now if you want to know full details of the Galaxy S21 series, I made a full video on it a few days back. Link would be in the description down below or here in the icard. Now I'm hearing that S21 and S21 Plus, both of them are going to have a 1080p AMOLED 120Hz display as opposed to Quad HD like on the S20 and S20 Plus. Plus both of them will have a plastic back according to Let's Go Digital, which is quite strange and kind of a bummer if you ask me. These are flagship phones, so they must have some sort of glass, but that isn't the case sadly. But sources claim that the prices of both of them are going to be less than this year, so let's see what will it be. The color scheme on the S21 series, however, is drastically better than on the S20 series. We have Phantom Grey, Phantom White, Phantom Violet, and Phantom Pink on the Galaxy S21, Phantom Black and Phantom Silver, as well as Phantom Violet on S21 Plus, and Phantom Black and Phantom Silver on the S21 Ultra. And also we have our first look at the Galaxy Buds Pro with in-ear design, active noise cancellation, and better sound quality as well as great battery life. And I really like the new design. It is way better than those weird bean-shaped Buds Live, and they also have the same case as the Bud Live, which is interesting. And also they will have the same color scheme as the Galaxy S21 series and are going to be launched alongside them in January. So that's all I got today. I'm very pumped up about the Galaxy S21 series. I really dig the new design, the way it curves over the edges, that gives it a very slick look. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Please consider subscribing and I'll catch you guys in the next one.